Thank you, Wayne. All right.
Somebody can take it for us, maybe.
I'm Dave Trago. I'm the CEO and General Manager of PWC, and I'll kind of act as the person leading us through this great day. I'd like to welcome each and every one of you to this very special day as we commemorate Fayetteville becoming the first municipal system in the state of North Carolina to offer its customers community solar. Community solar allows our customers. Community solar will allow our customers to subscribe and invest in solar, get the benefits of solar without having to put panels on their roof. So this allows our customers, the citizens in Fayetteville and Cumberland County, to enjoy this renewable resource without having to go through the problems and the issues of putting them on their homes. It's kind of unique that, and also special, that we have this facility at our Butler Warner generation plant, because as many of you know, PWC is also the only municipal utility in the state of North Carolina that owns its own generation plant. And this plant has been also providing benefits to our customers for almost 30 years. So this is a very special day and a very special place for us. Our solar farm will produce 1 megawatt of electricity from the sun, has over 3,300 panels, and it's tied to 500 kilowatts of battery storage. That will allow us to use the sun to charge the batteries and to discharge those batteries when we have our peak usage times, saving all of our customers money. In addition, there's another unique distinction to this facility. This is the first facility in the state of North Carolina that also has solar directly coupled to battery. So this is another unique first for North Carolina, and it's right here in Fayetteville. I'd like to recognize, before a couple of people do want to say a few words, I would like to recognize a couple of special guests who are here in the audience. We have our PWC board. We have our chair, Evelyn Shaw. We have Darswell Rogers, Ralph Huff, and Wade Fowler. We also have former PWC commissioners, Mr. R.C. Williams, Lynn Green, Wick Smith, Wilson Lacey, and Lou Oliveira. Please give them a round of applause. And just as a side note, I'd like to point out that Wick Smith reminded me that sometime probably in 2013, we started this conversation about potentially having solar here at Butler Warner. So those conversations started very early on, and this is the fruition of all of those conversations. Also in the audience, we have Mayor Mitch Colvin, we have Councilwoman Tisha Waddell, and representing the county, we have Glenn Adams, Michael Boos, and Charlie Evans. Please give them a round of applause as well. Also here representing all of the other municipal electric utilities in North Carolina is Roy Jones, the CEO of Electricities of North Carolina. Thanks for coming, Roy. And also we have people from the North Carolina Center for Clean Technology. We have Dewberry, who was the lead in this design build project, as well as their local partners, Horn Brothers and DSI, which is Directional Services Incorporated, who were all involved in the construction of this. We'd also like to welcome, there's a lot of people here from PWC who were involved in this project, from electric engineering to our customer programs to finance. This was a team effort, and thank you very, very much for getting us to this day, everybody at PWC. With that, I would like to invite Mayor Colvin to come up and say a few words. Mayor?
Well, good morning.
Good morning.
Thank you, Mr. Tragos. Thank you to the wonderful commission at PWC, Chairman Fowler, Huff, Rogers, and Chairwoman Shaw. Certainly it's an honor and a privilege to be here today to show not only PWC's commitment, but the city of Fayetteville's commitment to sustainability and clean energy and cutting edge technology. So again, this is a great day in the city of Fayetteville. Thank you, PWC, for your hard work and your innovation, and look forward to great things to come in our community. Thank you.
And I'd like to invite up our chair for the current term, Ms. Evelyn Shaw, to say a few words. Ms. Shaw?
ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. It's not often one receives applause before they say anything. You have given me the hint. Thank you so very much. As the chair of the commission, I am honored to be a part of this project and certainly honored to serve with the three gentlemen who insist that they are in charge. And like a good woman, I let them believe that. We have long had a strategic goal as the Board of Commissioners for long-term sustainable growth, community growth, and economic development. This project represents a very primary part of that strategic goal. And if you will permit me, I'd like to read a few remarks to you. I'm not going to take a text. I'm going to read these remarks to you. And I hope they will resonate with you as members of our community. We have, at PWC, always maintained that a hometown utility is the very best of the best. Being first with a project such as this in the state should make all of us very proud. But more importantly, it should allow us to capture and believe in the fact that what we say we're going to do, we make strides to do it. And we've done that with the local partners that Mr. Trago has named, DSI and Horn Brothers, and the people who did the wonderful design build, and of course the PWC team. I've worked with many boards in my brief lifetime, but none better than the folk at PWC. So I would ask you once again to put your hands together and really applaud them for this outstanding. The program is going to be able to allow customers whose homes are not retrofitted for solar to participate should they desire in this effort. We are going to see over the course of a year, this project generate 1.5 million kilowatts. That's enough energy to serve 100 homes, or something that you may latch onto to understand even better, to provide power for such a key account as MJ Sophie. That's a lot of power, isn't it? Mm-hmm. As we move down the road to long-term sustainable growth, we're looking forward to our second strategic priority, to achieve keeping local dollars in our community. And as I said earlier, and as Mr. Trago said, the first step is to bring in local vendors. And most of you have heard about the fact that PWC has made a concerted effort to build local business capacity. That's become somewhat of a mantra for us over the last 2+ years. And Commissioner Darswell Rogers has really done the heavy lifting from the board on getting local community businesses involved in this. So if I leave you with one thing, that is to have you go out and spread the word that PWC, the hometown utility, is an integral part of Fayetteville, Cumberland County. And as such, we want our local businesses to be our partners in everything that we do. And I thank you for your time, I thank you for your presence, and I wish you Godspeed as you leave this place to go about your duties. Thank you again for being with us.
before we do the ribbon cutting, as Commissioner Saw mentioned, community solar is a great fit for our customers, providing all of our customers, whether you own a home, whether you rent, whether you're here at Fort Bragg on a short-term deployment, take advantage of solar energy for their home or their business. We'll start signing customers up starting November 1st. They can go to our website. We'll have a link. It's first come, first serve, so sign up early. And as we move forward with this ribbon cutting, I think it's really great. We've done a promotional campaign with what we call the PWC kids. These are children and grandchildren of some of our employees. And this is about the future. Like Ms. Shaw said, it's long-term sustainability. While our current customers will enjoy the benefits of this, it is our children who will truly have the benefit of a project like this in the long term. So I'd like to invite up the commissioners to do the ribbon cutting, as well as our solar kids to come up here and join us. Come on up.
Push down.
Yeah, I want to thank everybody for coming. This is a very special day.